I don't care how many qualify. I want to see how many make the final. Stacked up. I'm real proud of them. The hard work. It's hard to make the nationals, man. It's tough.
Politics, bitch. We don't need some bitch in them. That's a lot of bitch. Don't shit on these kids. My politics. Ghetto child. It was
Lower right, more level. Stay down. Yeah.
I see you, Ghost. I see what you're saying. I'm picking up what you're putting down. The sound, the pains, the aches, the thrills, the sound, the come up, the blow up.
Turn like that.
This is cuz and happiness. So tell Al Green to pass the grits. A bag of
That's where you stay more patient over the right there.
what the fuck? I got hits, I got bucks, I got new paper cuts, I got friends, I got foes, but they all sitting ducks. Hit his turf and get
That's pretty good though, out of the back.
I feel good, get the fuck out of thighs. Look good, but you don't got no ties. Bitch in them, that's a lot of bitch. Don't shit on these kids. My apologies, ghetto child. It was with the smear no. We outside.
Good? I'm good.
Both maybe a little wider there.
Yeah. Easy beats. That's good. With grace.
Your back all right?
Yeah, I'm fine.
How about your spirit?
Mentally, a little broken.
If you're mad, say it with your chest. Really talk, check. I'm trying to see with your unswan.
Box, raw. I know you wanna hear some hi-hats. Tick, tack to the top. Play that beat. He's like wind talk, he like TT play. Had to tell a man bait from all that smoke. I look, why you trying to take that pull?
Great redemption.
Yeah.
Ah! A little lower right so it gets the mill more. Ah! Left stopped a hair out of the back. He fell a little, but that was alright. So over more lower right on the sweep still. Because you're sort of, the left's a little late, and then you're not catching the left as well in the middle. Ah! Good. Good on that one more on the finish. That's pretty good though. Get more level. I think it could be maybe a hair more. That'll
Okay.
prevent that left hip from falling in, but it's still pretty good.
Okay.
A little lower though.
Hey, get out of the back. Stay over that right a hair more. And like that, like the positions were good. You're just a little high.
Positions feel good. There's just not like a boom to it, you know?
Good. You don't need the boom today. That's the one where you drop the left more out of the back.
Use the left arm a little more, yeah. That's
The sweep was low and you caught well.
then it didn't like transfer out.
Give it some fucking juice from the
All right.
left side.
All right.
Stay a little lower over here so then the right gets into the board on the finish. Yo, that setup, yeah, that's where you gotta hit that lift more. Yeah. Like that's where I would say is the limit of where you can lower the left.
Okay.
And then good grounding, controlling the dome. Left could be a little quicker right there.
Yeah. And
But then,
pull away. Yeah.
but that was all right though.
Okay.
Maybe a little more with a lower right, because then when you're grounding here, you're a little past the.
Okay.
Yeah.
About to get fried, sitting in the cloud in the sky, looking like a fucking crash course on how to get on the Bay Bridge, headed to the rowdy side.
When you have more juice on that, if you can hit that again,
Yeah, I gotta get.
it's just being patient with the left shoulder at higher speed.
It's getting that left like stuck glom connected.
I don't care how many qualify. I want to see how many make the final. Stacked up. I'm real proud of them. The hard work. It's hard to make the nationals, man. It's tough. Yeah, that was weird right out of the back. That's where you gotta control your the head more.
Yeah.
I even think that right out of the back you sort of fell in on, and this gets a little lower. So then right here, the left really shuts down and everything goes this way.
Yeah.
That's better than the left. Still like a little more control with the left shoulder in the middle. Yes. Rather, just be more patient in the middle.
I just need to do that.
Jeez.
Way better.
Oh! Stay here more.
Everything that exists is fine. Get it? I speak it out loud in the universal credit. People in my corner always grin.
That was where the left went a hair low.
Come on. It's a little better.
It was a little deep with the left. It was a little high with the left.
Where they go 762s will make them plain.
Oh!
But now you better smell my name. They talking about
2013 Luke.
They ain't talking about nothing. He never got his ass whooped until he opened up that can.
Got right to the middle more though.
Me couldn't focus on your work. Didn't sympathize.
Oh, come on! I like that.
Drifting a little bit into the
Yeah,
left.
it still feels like I'm not like pushing into the.
Yeah. Stay here more.
That's
where you're too long this way.
Yeah. What do you mean too long?
Oh, I'm just getting down super late, or?
So your right's over here on this side,
Okay.
but then you're peaking here with the left. Like your weight.
Oh, it's really bad, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So that all your weight when your left comes down is this way.
Yeah, okay.
Oh,
I feel like I gotta hold the left a little more in the middle. Like, yeah, hold. And then just stay down. I kind of started lifting.
make it. Now I got proof that I'm taking it there.
Got my own cake, you ain't gonna make me wait either.
Yes, sir.
I mean, there's too many options. I'm finna pass on this body, I'm John Stockton. Beat your ass.
That's the left going way too deep.
watching. A minor.
That's better.
They not like us. They not like us. They not like us.
There you go. There you go. Good. Good.
One more. Just, I think I can use my left arm a little bit better on that one. Just like catch it, left hits, and then fucking open that bitch. I think on that one I was just like a little. That was good, like balance. Good rhythm, as I like to say.
Open and soft. So like everything feels like it's pulling off and I can't like grind through and reverse. I'm just like here and open and falling around. It's really dumb. It's really smooth brain throws. That's what it feels like. But day after travel, feels good. Take it. I'm excited. No bad attitude. That'll kill you. Yeah, feel that.
Oh, there you go.
Let's go.
Five.
I'm just glad I'm feeling better. Kind of want to keep throwing, but
No.
Yeah,
Save that. Save that. This is what it's like. We needed to get this out. Any weird feelings? Nice ring. Sector. I'm not throwing anywhere else if I ever come back to this place. I'm going right here. Here in Hayward. That's it. And I ain't telling nobody.
nope.
People
We
have-
are an undisclosed location.
We are
Undisclosed location
undisclosed.
somewhere in Western Oregon.
Yeah.
Somewhere.
Come
in Western
on!
Oregon. Closer to Portland.
Bring it.
Come on now.
Come on, Nick. Let's go.
Yeah!
All right.
Ah!
That was worth it. That was worth $35 paying for a bag to bring this bad boy out. Come on.
Come on now.
Gotta go.
Ah! Come on! Woo! Ah! I told you I needed one more! Ah! Come on, that's it. That's good. I like that. Good tension feeling. Good tension. Tight.
Practice is great, but you gotta be able to get into the comp and be confident and be stable when you come in, throw one, and try and drop a fat hammer right away. That's all I can do.
There's no throws to waste, dude.
Yeah, I
There's
think
no
that's the big
fucking
thing.
Stable. There's
You
just
got
drop the fucking
3
hammer.
opportunities to drop a freaking bomb, and you got to be able to take those 3 opportunities and go all out. And the biggest problem with throwers out there is they don't want to take advantage of their throws. You get somebody out there, and I'm going to use a name, Pippery, is that dude will go in and you know he's going full throttle, throw one, screaming, slamming his chest and going AP. And I think like that's the big thing is like he's showing you just got to compete. And I think that when our guys compete, they'll be fine if they go out and they fucking compete. And they how can I say it? They beat the people that they're not supposed to beat. That's what's gonna happen.